Hi, my name's Aidan O'Rourke, and I just wanted to say a few words about my one-to-one photography tutorial sessions. I've been doing them for quite a few years now, and I've taught lots and lots of people across Manchester, Liverpool and the Northwest. Now, you can do either 4 hours or 6 hours, and you can book it for yourself or for somebody else as a present. In fact, it's very popular around Christmas time for presents, Christmas presents and also birthday presents. Now, in the first hour, I normally will spend the time looking at my unique lesson in aperture, shutter speed and ISO. This provides the essential information for anybody who really wants to understand photography better and get more out of their camera. People have said it's very, very useful, and they've not heard the techniques and principles anywhere else. It's because it's something that I've developed myself, and so that's included with every tutorial. We will then go on to look at the controls on your camera, whatever it is, but let me know beforehand what it is. I can just research it and find out a bit more about it. We'll do the most important features because it's impossible to do everything in one session. And I'll tell you which feature is the most important feature on the camera, the most important mode on the camera, which not everybody is aware of. We can then spend some time looking at some of the photographs, and I'll give some constructive feedback and identify what's good, and if there's anything that needs to be improved, I'll suggest what that could be. And finally, we normally will go outside somewhere, like here, down by the river, or maybe just out into the garden, or just go for a walk somewhere, and then we will try out some of the techniques that we've done during the tutorial. So, to book the tutorial, all you have to do is get in contact with me, and then just let me know if it's for yourself or for somebody else. If it's for somebody else, I can produce a personalised letter. You can print it out and give it to the person. So that's it in a few words. If you'd like to find out more, just get in contact. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.